Hey guys, it's Tony, and welcome back to part 2 of my first camping adventure. Today's chaos, my good girlfriend and I trying to set up my tent again. Let me tell you, we even resorted to a YouTube video because although the tent had a barcode for setup instructions, it was useless. Oh, quick update. I just got back from Alaska yesterday and I'm running purely on jet lag. So if you're curious, definitely check out my Alaska playlist after this. Now, you'll think we'll be pros by now, right? We practiced setting up in the park before, so no problem, right? Wrong. All that practice disappeared the second we hit the campsite. Also, my tent attached to my car, essential for car camping. I'll be sleeping in the comfort of my trunk while my dogs sleep inside, but on the ground with their essentials. I also had a toilet for night emergencies. Sorry I didn't film the inside setup. After getting the tent up and making dinner, my brain completely shut down. But trust me, Mother Nature's vibe was so worth it. If you miss how we got here, check out part 1 for the scenic road trip. Up next, Pat's tent setup, food prep and dinner. And guess what? We didn't burn down the forest. Novice campers for the win. The campsite is so peaceful, and watching the dogs run around was pure joy. Seriously, forget hiking. We just hiked a tent into submission. So, lesson learned. Setting up a tent in a park and setting up in the wild are two very different beasts. But hey, we survived. Barely. Next up, we tackle the next challenge. Stay tuned for part 3. I would love to hear from you. What was your first camping experience like? Or, if you haven't tried camping, what's holding you back? Drop a comment and let me know. Now, I'll leave you to soak in the real camping vibes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
That's gonna open. Because it was gonna. Oh, that's this side. No, this side go to the. This go to the car. The car. So we're gonna turn around. Girl, you got pockets on your leg. Why don't you put them in your pockets? Okay. I know y'all hungry. Mommy got y'all food. But that's the wrong bag. God dang it. Come over here. Over here. There you go. Hey, Winnie! Come on and eat. She's a darn bunny rabbit. Can you get to it? I gotta get your own bowl. Okay, hold on, Penny Winnie. Hold the phone. Your brother's gonna be selfish. Mo, Mo, that's hers. Get Penny Winnie. Okay. Penny, you gonna eat? No, after you got your own food. What's she gonna do with the rubber gloves on the fire?
So you can get the mixing the burgers.
We're not doing the burgers tomorrow.
Oh, okay. So what we doing?
The skewers, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's too
Yeah,
late
so
for all
we-
that now.
I know, but we got I got chicken and shrimp. That's what we told
Yeah, that should be quick. And what else we supposed to do with the in the corn? You need a knife? You don't need a knife or anything, do you? I have one to do though.
But how can I swish and clean?
What you need to clean? You can use that bowl to clean. Okay, here it is.
Here.
See, this is a 4-in-1.
That's cute.
That's-
It is this one. Oh my God. I'm just saying.
I'm just saying, it is. I know.
Here's your
So Penny don't know what's going on. She's like, what the hell is that noise? Look at my dog. Just look at her. I'm telling you, if I had a daughter, she would probably just like her.
right, but you would think she don't belong to nobody.
I know.
She just reeking. These are empty trash bags right here. The knife. I know I put the knife down.
So you want to use this to clean the fruit, and this is water we can use to do whatever.
Well, I gotta clean it.
Where to hang my
And I'm gonna do all the chicken because they're getting some too.
Yeah, that's fine. Let me find somewhere to hang it. Do you have a nail? I don't want by your camp.
No, just found a branch like I did.
All right.
So I have 2 cushions.
Okay, so we got the cooking utensils. So the next thing for us to do is to find your keys because we got our beds. I still got to set mine up, but all right. So let's look for the keys.
Did I go in here? What's in here?
Come here, Penny Winnie. Penny Winnie. Pinty.
Oh, I'm not gonna put nothing on there. You good? This is you need a little more.
I didn't get that. I think she was gone. Is it?
The only one. I'm gonna wrap the only one into one and I can put in there too. So I know you have your little drink. I didn't want to put the ice in there because it them contaminated.
Yeah.
Until you get your ice out for your.
I think, can we just leave the ice on top like that? Yeah, so that way we have ice with our drinks or whatever.
They drunk all the water. So you might.
Good.
No, it's something there.
Oh, okay. We got plenty of water.
I actually want to get this table to look halfway decent.
I know. Where's Penny? Penny! Oh, I ain't hear your bells. We still have to put my roof up.
Yeah.
So go ahead and do the table. Go ahead, because we need to have somewhere to eat and be.
No, you gotta come clean up this.
And I got to clean up my
Yeah, this a lot of stuff.
What they got in here?
It's aloe vera and guava.
Oh, okay.
Guava juice.
I'm there, so I know I put that radio in here. I know I put that radio in here somewhere.
How big was it?
It's good. It's about the size of my hair. It's a speaker. that would connect to my phone.
Mm-hmm.
This is so nice.
You want some more,
I use that. You put some on here.
I sprinkled it on it.
Okay. It's good. It's seasoned, isn't it? Some that has some seasoning.
I mean, cause you were ever you a little stingy with it, so I